How to connect a custom domain to Systeme.io. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. But first, if you want to start for free for Systeme.io and get the best deals possible, make sure you sign up with the link down in the description. And let's get back to the video. Okay, so the first thing that you will need to do is basically just log into your Systeme.io. And then from here, you simply just want to click on your profile picture from the on the top right and click on settings. So once you do that, you're going to find yourself in a similar page. You're just going to go to the left side here with the options available, and you want to scroll down until you find custom domains. This is basically where you want to click. And once you do that, you're going to find your free Systeme.io, and it is ready to use. But to add your own custom one, you're just going to click on add domain from the top right, and you're just going to go ahead and add your domain name over here. So you're just going to add it like so, and this is obviously just a test, and you want to click on save. Once you do that, they're going to give you two different values, and you want to take them to your provider and add them in there. So I just same dummy domain, by the way. So you're going to get the two CNAME records here. So you're just going to copy the host one and also the target one, and you're simply just want to go back to your provider. Now, it really just depends on your provider on where you need to add them, but you simply just want to copy them and paste them in the appropriate places for them. And once you do that, the status for your domain is going to be from pending validation to ready to use, just like the Systeme.io one. And then from there, you can actually make it the primary one. And this is pretty much how to add your own custom domain to Systeme.io. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.